Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Virgo placements. Yes, this is your June general and yeah, the person on your mind reading. Okay, so syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page. Okay, for more info and kung interested rin naman sa atin pong mga items, they're all available. Yeah, yung ating protection from evil eye, love bracelet, si granter, and yung cord cut. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Virgos. Again, don't forget rin na i-follow yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter na nasa description box below. If you're watching dito sa YT. Okay, nasa description box. So, let's see. In general, what's for our Virgo placements this June? What's for you, Virgo? The Two of Pentacles and the reversed. This is dropping. Maybe meron kayong ida-drop. Ano to? Two of Pentacles, Justice. Sabihin nating ililesen. Oo. Kasi iba sa inyo pwedeng hindi kaya totally i-drop. Yung pagiging fair. Fair, oo. So siguro ililesen. Siguro magkakaroon ng, sabihin nating mas pagdating sa sarili ngayong June. Okay? Yeah, the Sun. Parang may mas uunahin kayo pagdating sa pangsarili ngayong June. And this is nice. This is not toxic. Okay? So, yeah. So, the general yun. No? So, what else for Virgo? What else for Virgo? Hierophant. Again, the Sun. Bagong sabihin nating pagbibigyang focus ngayong June. Could be career, connection. This is commitment. Okay, so I'm hearing good results, good news coming in for you ngayong June. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit. Ang nakikita ko dito, parang merong papasa sa exam, may papasa sa test, board, bar, if ever, kung meron man. No? So, yeah. Energies surrounding. Kung hindi man ngayong June ito, so may chance, no, sa energy mo na may ganon. Yeah, the World. Andun yung sabihin nating malayo, yung mararating. I'm hearing some of you good news coming from, sabihin nating good source, no? Parang ganyan. Anyway. So, what else? A surprise. May pregnancy ako nakikita for some of you, even though wala yung energy ng card ng pregnancy, commitments. Some of you regarding a child, no, parang there's this good news regarding a child this June. Yeah. So what else for you, Virgo? The King of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? Commitments. Committing pagdating sa sarili ngayong June talagang nakikita ko. Okay? The Seven of Cups. Being busy. Some of you may chance na talagang magpapahinga muna. Okay? Kasi nandun yung sobrang busy. I don't know, kung ikaw itong parang aakrahan mo lahat, ikukunin mo lahat, igagrab mo lahat. Kasi there's this energy of ang daming pwedeng mangyari ngayong June for you. So, mabibisi ka. So, may chance na parang hindi mo lahat i-go. Hindi mo lahat, sabihin natin, i-shoulder kung ano man to. Okay? Yeah, sabihin natin i-avoid mo lang din yung sarili mo sa mas madaming stress if ever, no? Stress. Yeah, see strength, universe. So avoid natin kung ano man ya. This is work overload for me. Okay, mga Virgo, work overload. So I guess kung kaya mong humindi or kung kaya mong magpahinga muna, so may chance, no? Ayaw natin na parang magkakasakit pa tayo kasi lagi tayong gawa ng gawa. Ayaw naman natin yon, no? Kaya nga tayo nagawa is para may kainin, mabuhay, hindi yung para magkasakit, no? Oo. Yes. Okay, so yeah. Check up. Kung kaya. Overall, diba? Yearly, I don't know. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind, mga Virgos. Who is this? The person on your mind, Virgo? The person on Virgo's mind. Who are they? Who are they? Who is this, Virgo? Again, the Emperor. Some of you might be dealing with a Leo. Kasi ito yung first card ni Leo. Okay? The Emperor. Check nyo rin yung reading, no, para kay Leo. Check nyo rin. What's with this Emperor? The Devil in reversed. Could be Capricorn. Justice in reversed. Some of you need to avoid this person. I don't know why. You're trying to avoid them, aren't you? You're trying to avoid them. Ito ang nakikita ko sa iba sa inyo, pwedeng yung connection ninyo is sabihin nating okay lang, tumatakbo ito dahil sabi natin some of you may sex. Okay, pero hindi ko gusto. You see this person as your other half, or yeah, they have this masculine energy, whether female man to. They have this masculine energy surrounding them. You can't resist. Ang hirap niyang i-resist, even though yeah, you're trying to avoid them, ang hirap. Andun yung energy na ganun. You find them attractive. Anyway, I'm channeling. Okay, let's see. Anong situation nyo, mga Virgos? Anong situation nyo? Page of Swords in reversed. And the World. You're getting a lot of lesson. A lot of lesson sa connection nyo na to. Okay? Sabihin natin, yeah, happy lang, happy. Ano bang meron tayo? Ano ba tayo? Like that. Masaya. O, diba? May mga ganun. Saan nyo narinig yun? Linyahan yon sa isang movie. Oo. Okay. With Goma and Bea Alonso. Diba? Nalimutan ko yung title. Let's see. The Five of Cups. Marami nasasayang dito actually. Actually, marami. So, nakakakita ka sa situation na pwedeng magkaroon ng progress, pwedeng magkaroon ng improvement. Okay, pero sa ngayon, ang nakikita ko is just accepting kung anong meron. This is just accepting kung anong ibinibigay ng tadhana. Parang ganyan. Tingin mo, bigay sa'yo to ng tadhana para matuto ka pa eh. Para may mga ganun na energy. Anyway. So, what is your emotion? What is your emotion for you, Virgo? Current emotion. Death. Why death? Okay. Ace of Swords. Clarity. I think sabihin nating strong connection to. Yeah, this is a strong connection. Alam mo, Virgo, for them, emotionally nagkakaroon sila ng mga pagbabago pagdating sa pakikipag-connect, simula nang makita ka, simula nang makakonect ka in general. May mga pagbabago nang nangyayari sa kanya. Who is this? 'Di ba, nakaka-intriga? May mga nagbabago na, like nagiging mature. Okay, yung person, because of this connection, maybe both of you starting to be mature. Parang nagkakaroon ng improvement. Kaya, sabihin nating kailangan nyo talaga magtagpo ng taong to para mag-grow pa, 'di ba? So, let's see. How do you see them? Or maybe how do they see you? Ano bang tingin sa'yo nitong taong to, Virgo? Anong tingin niya sa'yo? Anong tingin niya sa'yo? Justice in reverse. Yeah, and the Empress in reverse. So, yeah, we have here a pair. So, a strong connection though. Okay, could be a strong connection, sabi ko nga. Justice in reverse and the Empress in reverse. Alam mo, Virgo, nakita nito kung sino. Ito yung sinasabing makikita mo rin yung sabihin nating makakapantay sa'yo. Parang ganyan. So, pwedeng ikaw yun. This is your energy. The Empress. Okay? The King of Swords. The King of Swords. And the Tower. Mahirap tong alisan. Or sabihin natin mahirap itong i-resist. Wow, Virgo. Sa'yo natututo itong taong to. Or pwedeng sa isa't isa kayo natututo ngayon. Like, nagiging mature. They see you as somebody na pwedeng ikaw talaga yung para sa kanya. Sa'yo niya nakikita na kailangan ko mag-effort dito. Kailangan ko magbago dito. Yeah, they're becoming mature sa connection nyo na to. Walang force ako nakikita. No force. Walang pagpipilit. Nakikita ka niya na sabihin natin kaya mong humindi sa kanya. They see you as the challenge. They see you as a challenge. Yeah. Na parang yes, challenge to, pero yes, parang gusto kong ipanalo. Parang ganun. Gusto kong ipanalo nito, Virgo. Wow, di ikaw na. Okay, tapos na yung reading. Tinapos. Oo, no? So this is nice. This is nice. What is their next action? Let's see. What is their next action? Virgo. Next action. Okay. The Six of Pentacles. This is balance. Oo. Equal give and take. Kung makikita nyo sa usual na tarot, the Six of Pentacles, isa lang yung nagbibigay dun. At yung isa is nakaganto lang. Pero kung makikita nyo dito, pareho. So, this is equal. No? This is equal. So, may chance na itong taong ito, itong person mo na to, hanggat maaari, magiging fair siya sa'yo. Yeah. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. King of Swords. This is being genuine. Truthful. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. May nag-flip na isa. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reversed. This is, sabihin natin, magbibigay talaga siya ng risk dito. Okay, this is risk. Andito yung effort. Diyan yung effort. The Queen of Wands. Papakita niya na, sabihin natin, worth it ka, valuable ka. Yeah. I don't know. If this is a past person, parang marami siyang natutunan sa connection and now they realize everything. Na ikaw talaga yung the one for them. Yeah. Kasi si Six of Pentacles, this is rin naman pagkakaroon ng another chance. Gusto ng taong to na magkaroon kayo ng good cooperation, I think. So, gagawa siya ng way para magkaroon ng, sabihin nating, pagiging maganda, no, pagdating sa resulta. Parang ganyan. Kung ano man ang kailangan niyang gawin, gagawin niya. Yeah, they're the Emperor. Okay? Sabi ko nga, whether babae or lalaki, kung ano man ang gender. Yeah. So, what's the outcome? Or sabihin nating advice. What's the advice for you, Virgo? What's the advice for our Virgo? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Knowing your worth. Let them know your worth, your value. Okay? It's this. The Six of Wands in reversed. Wala kang insecurities. Yan. Pakita mo sa kanya yan. Wala kang insecurities. You don't beg. Okay? You're not jealous. Hindi ka para maghabol. Ito yan. Okay? So, yeah, the Seven of Wands. This is, sabihin nating, energy na minsan may paghindi. Ito yun Minsan may paghindi. That is why, so now they see you as their challenge. Yung challenge na gusto niyang ipanalo. Gusto niyang ipanalo. Okay? This is nice. The Three of Cups. So, this is energy of success, victory. Yeah. Your person wants this. Okay? Yeah, they want that. So, let's see. Ano bang meron? Pagdating sa all signs, iba sa inyo, try nyong panoorin rin yung Leo. Okay, Leo placements. Okay, so Aries through Pisces. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Virgo. Zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Okay, Aries. self-love. Kaso andito yung energy na parang nasayang, natapon. Or parang sinayang ka lang niya. Taurus, they're lying. They have secrets. Gemini. You're the one that got away. Cancer. They want justice. They want answers. They want clarity, closure if ever, fairness, equality. Leo. A lot of expectations. They're waiting for you, some of them. Virgo. Some of you, this is the end of no contact. Okay, somebody will reach out. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Somebody will end the no contact or the coldness or the separation, maybe. May chance. Libra. They're holding back. Holding back. Some of them, they're thinking of ways. Okay, kung paano gagawa or magre-reach out. Parang ganon. They're like nagre-ready si Libra. Scorpio. This is in and out energy. So now they want fairness. Parang ganyan. They want kung ano ba talaga yung dapat sa connection. Sagittarius, they want to take risk. Capricorn, they like you. Secretly liking you. Aquarius, you're their wish fulfillment. Yeah. You're their source of happiness. Parang ganyan. Pisces. Oh, feeling a missed opportunity with you. Okay, they felt a missed opportunity. They're holding back. Some of them, they're juggling. I don't know. So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.